Hello friends, this is Albert Pinto and you're watching Albert Pinto's multi-channel. Welcome back. Today I have visited the Bhupar Waterfall, also known as the Guni Waterfall, an unexplored waterfall in Goa. Well, these are the fields, very beautiful, lovely, very refreshing for the eyes. The roads are narrow, hence preferred vehicles are two-wheelers or your own car. And here you have to walk through. Well, the distance from the main road is approximately 25 meters, as you can see from this video. It is mostly visited on Saturdays and Sundays. School field trips are also conducted. Ideal place for family trip as it is easily accessible and very safe place for children to take a dip since the water is not big in depth and the place is not rocky also. And no trekking required as it is not in the jungle. Well, it's a beautiful waterfall. I recommend this one for you to visit. A good one. Well friends, thank you for watching. This is Albert Pinto signing off until I come up with another video, another waterfall. Take care. See you and bye-bye.